Hi, in this lesson I'm going to show you how to rotate this ball, squash it, and make it bounce in an animated form. Okay, so I'm just going to play this a little bit, around 3-4 times to get an understanding. Okay, so for the first 12 frames, when it's bouncing down on the ground, I just need to rotate it first. I'm going to do all the rotations for the whole frame range first, and then jump into squashing. Just rotate it a little bit and press the S key. I'll play these frames again. As you can see, it's rotating and it's bouncing. Okay. Since this was the 22nd was the next key that we set on the ball, I'm just going to go on that frame and rotate the ball a little more and press the S key. If I play this animation, only the end frame seems like it's going a little off now. So we go on the last frame and rotate this ball again. And then hit the S key. If I play this, not too bad. Just go into camera view and see how it looks like. Perspective, camera. Okay. I play this. Okay, not too bad. Just that in the end, needs to go a little more curvy. Okay, that should do it. Okay, that looks alright. Okay, now that we have finished the rotation, we'll jump into the squashing of the ball. To start with that, we need to select animation from here. Since we are already in animation, just click that, and you'll see these menus. We need to go in this create deformers. Okay, you can't see this because my window is a little smaller than normal screen, so I'm just going to click here, and there is this small line which will pop this window out for me. It's called, so this window is called create deformers. I just go into non-linear. Before that, I just need to go to the frame where it's on the floor. So on 12th frame, the frame 12th, it's on the floor and it's going to squash here. So I'm just going to go to non-linear and say squash. It's going to add this small green line. Just going to go in the wireframe mode. It's going to add this small line which is in a, I don't know, in a very different angle. Just going to put rotation, just going to select this 3 and just press 0 so that it goes right perpendicular on this spear, or rather the ball. Okay, now that we have this, I'm just going to select this squash one. I'm going to close this, select this, going to select the squash one, and it has a number of preferences in it that I can play around with. The envelope is that it's enveloping around this object. If I press say 0, and if I try to change the squish and squash, it's not going to affect anything. If I say 1, then it's going to affect it, right? Okay, so I'm going to select this and I'm going to just adjust my factor. I'm going to click on this factor, click your middle mouse button and drag it. Let's say, no, that's a little too much. I'm going to squash it around 0.5. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to right click this, or rather I'm going to go to this channels. Before that, again, I'm sorry, we need to parent this curve or the squash deformer to this little ball. So for that, we're going to select this and then select this ball, shift select this ball, select this, shift select this ball. Notice that this line is white in color now and this is green. This is how it should be. Now that we're going to parent, select this and then shift select and then press P. And when you select this ball, even this is going to get selected now. So now we know that this ball or this deformer is parented to the ball. So this is the child and this is the parent. Okay. So, okay, whoops. I'll just change this back to 0. So on the first frame, I just put a key there, go to channels, say key selected. If I press S, then all these values are going to get keyed, which I really don't want. So I go to the next frame, which is frame 12th. This is where I want the squash effect. Select this, middle mouse and drag. Okay, that's a little too much. Yeah, that's alright. I select channels, say key selected. Now if you scrub, you see that the ball is squashing here, but it still doesn't look that good. So we just need to put a little more keys inside. So I'm going to go to the 7th frame and then I'm going to add it to 0.282. That should be alright. I'm going to right click that and say key selected. So when I play this, it's actually squashing. I'm going to put another key on frame 4 so that I have a decent result. Channels, key selected. Now that's not supposed to happen like that fast. So I'm going to go again, change this to, no, that's too much. Okay, channels, key selected. Okay. So our first 12 frames look alright. Now we're gonna move to frame 24. Yeah, 24. Select this deformer again. And goes like this. Then we need to squish it. Let's see. I'm just gonna animate this max expand position a little bit. And then say key selected. Go here, say key selected. Again, keep this thing. You need to animate till it looks pleasing for your eyes. Just gonna go in this shaded view. So it's hitting the wall here. It's just animation, so you can play around with it as much as you want to. So this is what I have. It looks like a very watery kind of a ball. That's alright. Animation can be in any form. So this is a ball animation. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to light a scene, which is going to take some time, and it's kind of fun to light a scene because it brings your whole animation, which looks more like lines and boxes. When you put lighting, it'll look more as a scene, and it's kind of fun to light a scene as well. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson.